Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to set up sales tax in your Shopify store. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Taxes may not sound exciting, but they're actually an integral part of your e-commerce business. Now, most sellers are often perplexed about the proper setup. That's where we step in. So let's dive into how you can easily set up sales tax for your Shopify store. Now, first, let's get to critical concepts first. So first, how sales tax works with Shopify and how to set it up. Now, sales tax is a consumption tax imposed by the government on sale of goods and services. It's usually collected by retailers and passed on to the government. Now, when it comes to Shopify, things work a bit differently. Unlike some other e-commerce platforms, Shopify places the responsibility of collecting the remitting sales tax squarely on your shoulders. So let's see how to do it right away. Now, the first step is to tell Shopify where you want to collect sales tax. Now, head to your Shopify settings here, click on settings at the bottom left, and from there, navigate to the tax and duties. And you'll find a list of available countries and regions. Now here, you'll enter your sales tax license and state, and remember, sometimes you'll be asked about your sourcing method. The key takeaway here is that you must take charge of your sales tax collection, and Shopify won't do it automatically. Now, in this case, we have different countries here. Like, for example, if you go to Australia here, you'll be able to see the page for your Australia. And from here, it's going to say collect a GST. Go ahead and click on that. And you'll need to provide your ABN number. Now, if you want to know more about this one, go ahead and click on this link here that says GST in Australia. And from here, you'll be able to know more about the GST in Australia. Now from here, since some of the taxes here are going to be like straightforward, sometimes they impose like 18 to 15% tax, but it actually, especially for United States, the tax itself varies on the state itself. So in this case, when you scroll down here, by the way, if you don't see this UI here, you could go ahead and click on the show all countries and regions. Just click on United States. And from here, you could go ahead and just click on start collecting. You just need to choose the state here. Like for example, we have Alabama, California, Indiana. Go ahead and choose that. And from here, just enter the tax ID. Now, if you want to know more about the sales tax in Indiana, go ahead and click on this one. It's going to bring up the Shopify Help Center here, and the US tax says references. So scroll down here a bit, and from here you see disable here. Go ahead and choose the state that you want to view. Now, if you're selling in states with different rules for taxing shipping, you'll need to configure this. It's important to understand that which state tax shipping and which don't. You'll find this option below the list of countries and regions. So in here, just scroll down a bit. You need to basically go back one page here, and from here, just scroll down a bit. And from here, you need to check the box that says decide how tax is charged on shipping. So this is crucial because tax rates can vary significantly based on whether shipping is taxed or not. So in this example, we have the option that says charge tax on shipping rates. So include shipping rates in the tax calculation, and this automatically calculated for Australia, Canada, European Union, New Zealand, Norway, Singapore, Switzerland, United Kingdom, and United States. So you need to basically add a check next to it to enable this option. Now, next thing that we have to ensure here is that your taxable products are correctly set up to collect sales tax. Now, you need to go through your product list and edit each variant if needed. So in this case, I just click on save at the top right here. And from here, we want to exit this one and go to our products. Now from here, go to our products here. And from here, just scroll down a bit. From here, we have the section for the variants. So in this case, we have black and small here. Go ahead and click on edit. And from here, when you scroll down a bit, you'll see the pricing section. And from here, you have to enable the option that says charge tax on this variant. Now, in this example, there are some products that are going to be tax exempted. That includes, like, for example, gift cards. So they are tax exempted. Now, your warehouse locations play a significant role in sales tax setup. So, some states follow origin sourcing, while others follow destination sourcing. The key is to tell Shopify where your orders are being fulfilled from. Now, in here, go to your settings, and from here, you need to go to locations and add all the locations where your orders are fulfilled. This is crucial for accurate tax calculations. And that's about it. So we've discussed with you the basics here on how to set up your taxes on your Shopify store. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.